Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you get audience on your application. I'm going to share with you best method to get loads of audience on your application. You should watch this full video without skipping. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can open Chrome browser and search your Gamejolt. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, Gamejolt is best and most popular gaming platform. As you can see, this platform is getting more than 10 million visitors monthly. This platform is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can get visitors from anywhere in the world. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 21% visitors from United States. If you will publish your game on this platform, then you can get lots of visitors. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on add your game button. Now you can sign up with Google, or you can type here your email address. You can type your unique username. You can type your password. You can click on sign up button. Now you can select your profile image. You can type your name. Now you can click on next button. You can follow any of this creator. Now you can click on next button. Now you can click on add your game button. You can select here this option. You can type here your game title. You can type your URL path. You can paste your website URL. This is optional. You can leave it blank. Guys, I have published my game on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 game website. I'm going to paste here URL of my game. Here is showing my game. And here is showing URL of my game. I'm going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to paste here. You can select your game engine. I have made my game on App Creator 24 platform. I'm going to select your other option. Now I'm going to type your App Creator 24. After filling this first page, you can click on this button. Now you can type here your game description. You can select your game tags. Now you can click on save and next button. Now you will have to upload your media file of your game. You can click on choose file button. You can select image of your game. Now you can click on save button. Now you can click on add media button. You can click on choose files button. You can select screenshots of your game. You can click on open button. Now you can click here. Click on choose file button. You can select this image. Click on open button. Now click on save button. Click on save and next button. You can type your package name. Now you can scroll down. You can select your public option. Now click on add package button. Click on new release button. You can scroll down. Click on choose file button. You can select here your game application. Now you can click on open button. Here you can see my game application is uploading on this platform. Guys, this application is for Android users. You can click on other button. Click on publish release button. Click on yes button. Click on OK button. Here you can see my application has uploaded successfully on this platform. Click on next step button. Here you can see age rating. You can select this option. You can scroll down. You can select your none option. Fantasy violence. Select your none option. Realistic violence. You can select your none option. Bloodshed. You can select your none option. You can rate your content accurately. Now you can click on save and next button. Here you can see your game is ready to be published to the site. If you are not ready yet, you can always save it for later. I'm going to publish this game. Click on publish button. Click on yes button. Yeah, here we go. My game has published successfully on this platform. Here is showing stats of my game. You can go on Google and you can search your Gamejolt. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can click on a store button. You can search here your game. Now you can click on Games button. Guys, here is showing my game at the top in search result of Gamejolt. You can click here to open this game. Here is showing my game page and here is showing downloadable button. This game is in APK format. You can run this game in your Android device. Guys, using this method, you can also publish your game on Gamejolt platform. You can get lots of audience on your application from this platform. This is the best and most popular gaming platform. This platform is free and available worldwide. So friends, take advantage of this platform. Publish your game application on this platform. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.